I settled on the fact that I will live in solitude and take on this path alone, because I feel like an inconvenience most of the time. I'll always be hesitant in stepping forward because I do think that I don't deserve to be loved. And then there's you. I realized that love is not a matter of being deserving or not. It is a matter of choice. To sit with me in the noise, to sit with me in the silence. It's choosing to be vulnerable yet still feeling whole and loving completely even with faults regardless. It's sharing moments of both distress and bliss and treating it as an adventure together. Now, the solitude turns into solidarity for my life that's recognized as important. There is an infinite number of timelines in this lifetime, and yours is bound to connect with someone else's. I'm glad that mine collided with yours.
Dito kami sa 4x4 and it will take us around 1 hour to get to the jump off point, and then puro lakar.
Hello, good morning. Jump off.
Ang favorite ulam si charot.
Ako yung 4x4.
Umigat kayo sa
The volume.
Parehas kami nahulog yung
The volume. Wow!
Kala naman
Ma'am!
Stop kayo.
Saan ang palay?
May coffee bean siya.
Ano ginagawa?
So we are now starting our hike.
Single, double.
We are in the crater.
Ito yung crater.
This is how it looks like. Sari store.
May ale-ale. Pwede ba na?
Walking in the trail, and this is Mon, and this is Luis. Diba? Okay. What are those? Stop it. Stop. You're banned from this group officially.
Single, double,
Goodbye.
double.
Ma'am, ito, kamusta ka?
Juma, I therefore conclude hiking is not for me.
Oh my gosh, ang ganda, girls.
I've been watching you. At night, I think of you.
Yan po, may prenup na nagaganap. Sige lang.
Your game is on, give me a call.
Meanwhile,
Ang aming lalakarin pabalik. So, how do you feel?
Dito na ako titira ako na umalis.
Po ang kanyang jog!
Ew.
Jog! I've been some snacks. Ito yung bagay ko, how-how. Puro how-how lang. Just how-how is life.
Ayan po, naglalaro po siya.
Captain on your right.
Hey everyone! So... kamusta ka naman?
like whatever.
Like what up? It's like such a long...
My feet are so tired.
I'm so pagod na. Oh my god.
I'm literally sweating, like literally.
I'm a hype best. Hike best. Ayoko na.
These are my confessions. Just when I thought I said these are my confessions. Man, I'm grown.
So, we are going back to...
I was gonna say a word that I shouldn't say because I don't have any of those kinds of friends.
Sup, bitches? What up? Madam? Naghintay po kami maligo. So, for CR 10 pesos, shower 50 pesos. Yung CR, yung showers nila. And we're waiting and dancing. The aftermath of our very good bath. Sarap. So, we're just eating our lunch.
Ano ba yan? Nagtuwalya ka sa ulo.
Your girl be pink. I see those Jimmy Choos where you work. Girl, do your thing.
So, ito po yung aming bed. Yun lang yun. Room tour. This is the ceiling. Just, we are now in the beach. During golden hour. Tapos, ito yung harap nung aming campsite. Tapos, it's right by the beach. So, super accessible siya.
Pwede tara na.
Ito po, ready to swim ang ating mga shokoy. Charet! Cute-cute yun. Ayan, sige.
We're just waiting for the wave. Hi, they're the Posa girls. We're the Posa girls.
Kakatapos lang namin maligo sa poso. What an experience. What can you say, Alex?
I did not sign up for this.
Sorry, sabi sa inyo, manage your expectations eh. Ubusin mo yan. This is our Oda. Sinigang na po. We're gonna find some shake and isaw and fish balls and kakiam.
Ito pa rin ang baby ko. Baby.
I'm having a baby.
Cheers! Toast for my friends. Yay! I love you all from the bottom of my ass. We don't have a ass. Yay! Ah! Yay! Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you. Ah, shit. So it's 2:15 and we are going to bed and I'm here in the hammock and this is our tent. So it's time for bed. So this is the beach at 7 in the morning. This is the last resort after walking for 15 minutes. We are just preparing to leave. Hindi po kami nakakuha ng good night's sleep because yung katabi namin, ang ingay. Tapos bis nagpapatugtog, bis. Alas 3 ng umaga. Ano ka, Jejemon songs pa. Baka! So we are in Meat Plus in Subic and we are having some steaks. This is super good. Wala naman. Ano yan ginawa niya? Roast beef. Pero we give the rating 5.27. 5.27 for the New York steak.
What did you rate this? A whopping 8 for the red.
Whopping.
Whopping 8. I look naked.